Hello, this is our key vocab for mini unit 8. So the first term is militarism. Uh, as the definition says, is the belief or desire of a government or people that a country should maintain a strong military capability and be prepared to use it aggressively to defend or promote the national interests. So not only does this mean like building a massive army or navy, but we'll see this culturally, like the encouragement of people to go into the army or to wear their military uniform during their everyday lives. The second term here is the Balkans. This is a geographic region in southeastern Europe. The Slavic is our third term. This is an ethnic group in Eastern Europe that includes places like Russia and Poland. For Dardanelles, this is also another geographic place uh, in Eastern Europe near Asian Turkey. Term 5 is Tsar, sometimes spelled with a Tsar. This is the Emperor of Russia before the 20th century. 6. Self-determination. This is how a nation or state can form its own allegiance and its own government. So a people get to govern themselves is what I think of self-determination. 7, a coalition government. We see this in countries that have a parliament instead of a Congress. And what happens there to make a complex idea simple is that it, several different parties are running, but none of them achieve a majority rule. So they have to work together in order to make the government work. 8, the Weimar Republic. This is the name of Germany from 1919 to 1933. So pretty much from the end of World War One to right as the Nazis rise to power. 9, fascism. This is a political philosophy or movement that exalts the nation and often a race above the individual, and it stands for a centralized autocratic government. So the community, the nation before you as the individual. We see this with dictators. Uh, Usually there's economic depression and social control that goes along with this, as well as suppression of any opposition. And 10, Lebensraum. This is a German term where there was plans that the Germans people needed more living space, and they were going to spread out to colonize uh, immediately in Europe and possibly beyond.